If you've settled a car accident and you sign the general release, you cannot sue. Because if you read the general release, it says you're releasing the defendants from all claims, known and unknown, from when the accident happened in perpetuity. So unless there's something unusual, and we've had a few things that were unusual, that allowed us to get out of the settlement, allowed us to go to court and have the court vacate the settlement. Generally speaking, 99.9% of the time, you sign that general release, you're not going to be able to sue. And unfortunately, we've had clients that signed the general release before they had a lawyer. And that insurance adjuster for the defendant took advantage of that client. If I remember correctly, there was one case that was very tragic, where the injuries were just horrific. The insurance company gave such a ridiculous offer that when we went to court, the court said that the amount of the offer was just so insignificant compared to the catastrophic nature of the injury that it was unconscionable, and vacated the offer and vacated the settlement. And then we were able to negotiate a reasonable settlement for the client thereafter. And not that long after in that particular case, but that's one case that comes to mind. But it's a very rare event, and that's why you need to hire a lawyer as soon as you can when you get involved in an accident, because those insurance adjusters will jump on you and take advantage of you every single day. Compensation in a car accident lawsuit is the same as any other kind of lawsuit involving personal injury. We're going to take a look at your medical bills. We're going to take a look at your lost wages. We're going to take a look at your costs of medication, prescription drugs, home health services. If unfortunately there was a death, we have to look at all those expenses. Mental pain and suffering. How long are these damages going to continue? How old are you? We take all this in effect, come up with the number. At Parker and Waichman, we're a very large law firm. We have lots of lawyers and paralegals that all they do is personal injury. Some of them have just been doing personal injury for their entire legal careers. We know damages, and we roundtable every single case with a whole bunch of lawyers. So you have other lawyers in the firm critiquing your case, talking about damages in your case, coming up with what the value of your case is. The cost to file a car accident lawsuit is the same to file most other lawsuits. Car accidents are a little bit less complicated, say, than a medical malpractice case. In a medical malpractice case, we need to possibly hire an expert. Some states require an expert affidavit indicating that the case has merit. Some require an attorney's affidavit saying you've consulted with a medical malpractice expert and they said it has merit. Sometimes you need to have an expert to tell you what exactly was the malpractice if it's not obvious from the records or from other information you have. But the cost for car accidents, the cost of hiring a lawyer for car accidents is the same cost for motorcycle accidents, truck accidents, tractor-trailer accidents.